Let's take a look at glass ceilings from an employment law perspective. The Department of Labor defines glass ceilings as artificial barriers based on organizational bias that prevent qualified individuals from advancing into upper management positions. Glass ceiling is not a specific type of legal claim, but the term does succinctly capture the experiences of many highly qualified women and people of color. Such circumstances have prompted lawsuits alleging a pattern or practice of discrimination, disparate impact, or other claims. Advancing to higher level positions in elite institutions is a rugged, competitive process. Lack of advancement does not necessarily reflect the workings of unfair, discriminatory obstacles. To the extent that such obstacles exist, the measures needed to deal with them go beyond the general advice for promotions. Employers should closely monitor the career progress of women and people of color. Evidence of disproportionate lack of advancement should prompt a wide ranging self analysis. Employers should examine the protected class composition of positions from which promotions are made and the manner in which key projects and other developmental opportunities are assigned. Because many promotions rest on previous positions and project assignments, it's also important that women and people of color get into the pipeline and have access to important positions and developmental experiences. Employers should provide management development programs, assistance in career planning, and mentoring. Mentors provide less senior professionals with the benefit of experience, coaching on career choices, and visibility in higher organizational circles. Other important steps involve removing impediments to performance, including harassment and aspects of an organization's culture that might be hostile to protected class groups, like emphasis on off the job socializing. Turnover patterns should be carefully examined, and they might indicate frustration with the lack of advancement or responses to harassment. Flexibility in considering less traditional career paths and backgrounds in promotional candidates opens up opportunities and increases the number of qualified women and people of color in the pipeline. A more diverse pool of qualified external candidates for management positions might be obtained by considering people who have proven their leadership ability in nonprofit organizations, the public sector, universities, and the military. These practices, needed to deal effectively with glass ceilings, take an employer well beyond the minimum requirements of anti discrimination laws and in the direction of affirmative action.